All right, today we are trying apples for the very first time. Okay, here's your first apple. No hands. What do you think? Want to try it again? Try some more? Not so sure about the apples? You're not so sure? Oh. Well, that was a good bite, though. Maybe we like them after all. Yeah? Good girl. Yeah. Whoops. So, what do we think of apples? It's good? Yeah? You give it a thumbs up? Okay. Okay, say bye. I gotta finish the rest of my lunch. Say bye. Can you wave bye? Bye. Bye. Okay, maybe not. Oh, there you go. Bye.